So, have you found any difficulty regarding the formulation? Am I audible to you? All of you?
very clearly, sir.
সব মাজে মাজে আৱাজটো নাইকিয়া হৈ যায়।
চবৰে একে কণ্ডিশ্যন। চবৰে একে কণ্ডিশ্যন।
স্যাৰ আপুনি অকমান আগলৈ আহি পেলাই ক'লে অলপ ক্লিয়াৰ হয়।
শুনা পাইছা? আৰু অলপ
হয়।
লাউডলি ক'ব লাগিব।
এতিয়া আহিছে স্যাৰ।
So, let's start with the class, okay? শুনা পাইছানে তোমালোকে এতিয়া? আমিনা?
স্যাৰ এতিয়া ধুনীয়াকৈ আহিছে।
হয় স্যাৰ, এতিয়া ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে।
ৰূপাংকন? দিলবাৰ হুছেইন?
আহিছে স্যাৰ এতিয়া।
Suena Sirin Bordhui, are you there? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes,
So,
sir.
let's start with the resolution. Why we are using resolution, I have already discussed last class. Okay? I have already discussed last class why we are using resolution study. Right? So, next, we're just discussing how many types of resolution-based apparatus. So, resolution-based apparatus mainly USP type 2 apparatus. Okay? So, it is mainly two types of apparatus. One is the pattern type, another one is the basket type. Have you seen the two diagrams? Have you seen the diagrams? Pritham, have you seen the diagrams?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Sir.
what you have seen? In one container, this is a container, okay, where we put the resolution media. One is the paddle-like structure. See, this one is the paddle. Second one, and another one is this one is the this one is a box. Then a basket. Here it is written basket. What is this? This is actually the resolution-based apparatus. This is a resolution chamber, okay, where we have to put the particular media. Okay, if we are taking the drug that is dissolved, it should be disintegrated in our stomach, then we have to take the media as a acidic media, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this is a basket shaft. This is called basket shaft, and this is the basket. Okay, so constant surface area is obtained by compressing powder into a disk of known area with a die and punch apparatus. Then why we are going for the derivative? We just preparing that means we have to prepare the particular tablet. The tablet have the particular constant surface area. Have you seen the tablet punching machine before? Tablet punching machine before? Have you seen the tablet punching machine? Have you seen the tablet punching machine?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So in tablet punching machine, there is a two that means main equipments that we can form the tablet. First one is the die, another one is the tablet punch. Okay, so there is two punches there. One is the upper punch and another is the lower punch. We have to put the granules in between the die. Then hydrodynamic conditions are maintained with the static Higgs dissolution apparatus. And rotating Higgs apparatus. So hydrodynamic condition means what? Hydrodynamic conditions mean we have to maintain the temperature. Okay, it should be in 37 degrees Celsius. What is the normal human body temperature? What is the normal human body temperature?
30. Normal body
37
temperature.
37 degrees, sir.
37 degrees, definitely. So we have to maintain the particular medium, the temperature of the medium, that is called hydrodynamic. We have to maintain the temperature of that particular apparatus, that is 37 degrees Celsius. So this is two types of apparatus. Okay, one is static dissolution apparatus and rotating Higgs apparatus. Have you seen? This is one is it is first popular is called paddle. See, this one is paddle, and this is called vessel. In vessel, we have to take 900 ml of dissolution media, and this is the sampling point. Sampling point means we have to we just run the dissolution test apparatus. If we are running the dissolution test apparatus for 3 hours, then we put the collect the samples in half an hour interval. We just take the sample with the help of pipette. Okay, we take the sample and go for the higher visible spectroscopy. Okay, we take the absorbance. After taking the absorbance, we can calculate that how much quantity of the drug is released into the particular medium. Okay, so this is two types of dissolution test apparatus. First one is the call. This is basket type. Here see one basket type. That means one apparatus is already joined with the basket shaft. Okay, so the shape of the that means this one is last one where we have to keep the drug. It is we have to keep the drug in that particular basket. That's why it is called basket type dissolution test apparatus. Another one is the second one is the paddle type. In paddle type, you just directly put the drug into the paddle type. That means in the vessel. Okay. In which cases we are using the basket type apparatus? We are using the basket type apparatus in case of that means immediate drug release. Super recipients, those in those formulations in which we are using super recipients. That means when we are putting the tablet, it will immediately disintegrate. Have you seen this type of tablets? In those tablets we are putting in that particular media, it will immediately disintegrate. Can you give some names? Can you say some names? Those tablets have the immediate release tablet. That means immediate release tablet. Can you say some names? Can you say some names of immediate release tablets? Can you say some names? Students, can you say some names of immediate release tablets?
Sir, Dizin.
Dizin. Is it?